Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently I announced that since Off Dance and Divas was released, Vybz Kartel has gained 1.7 million album streams. Now we have more to celebrate. We're going to talk Spotify viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel's monthly listeners is up 2 million viewers and subscribers. Over 2 million listeners monthly. Now we're going to talk Off Dance and Divas once more again. The big track viewers and subscribers, the feature track. The Vybz Kartel featuring Little Vybz and Squash. The Jump on the Beat feature viewers and subscribers is currently at 1 million views organically. Nobody can say them see this song being played as ads on the movie site. Nobody can say them go over nowhere. They use no app and see the song as no ad. This is organic views, viewers and subscribers from the fans, and this is a platform where people can view the music or listen to music. Where some people are talking about trending, them only focus on one chart. You notice them not talk about sales. Nobody not buy them music. We have to talk about that. If them go focus on trending and how much views them song have, them go talk about how much people are buy it. We go talk about if your songs are being sold. Most of these naysayers recently with some people found out. Now an artist free for big up we want big up. Me not care what artist want big up. But when an artist want go like him want to shade. You have to remember that these artists have achieved nothing in a dancehall music. I close me still like confuse them recently. All me hear them talk about a Gucci this, Louis Vuitton that. Yeah. All well and good. But make sure someone not hype on poor people. Because majority of these artists, fans, are not wearing these brands with them talk about. So who them are hype on? I can't the ladies. Because if you not hype on the ladies, they don't know they not get no support at all from dancehall music. So I must not own fans and not hype on. Just say, not wear this and not wear that. I clothes confuse them. Them not have no other accolades, so them a talk about the clothes where them a buy. The house them live in, the car where them have. These are accolades of wealth. As long as you make the right moves in business, these are accolades that will be bestowed upon you. In your career of music, what have you achieved? Where them say, yo, them put some big artists a road. No, them not put no artists a road. Artists, they round them and find them own way out a road. And of them bus governor. And of them bus governor, we know the governor is so par with them. But I am right Baked Bean. I am produce Baked Bean. Would they ever see him share Baked Bean on him Instagram? Just to point that out. Now viewers and subscribers, in a dancehall music, we not have to even stress the point of which artists have put artists out there. These are known facts. If Bounty can say it, and Bounty are one of the persons that we're going to mention if you're going to mention artists who help other artists reach the prominence. And Bounty say after Bounty are Vybz Kartel. And literally as the reasoning go, if you're going to talk about artists who help other artists, we're going to mention Bounty, Bounty are foundation. But after we mention Bounty, which other artists we're going to mention? Talk Vybz Kartel. These people have no accolades to celebrate. And when we point out the accolades where them attack like them want to say, Ray, the sayers of nay will say what them want to say. We see them make them fake charts. Where some people make some talk like them and say, oh, Jayden Chase, yo, Fox. What I post was on the teacher's IG. Viewers and subscribers, look on them before them turn them face. Them a spy. Look on them before them turn them face. And show them in the comment section a comment. Yeah, it is free and open to everybody. Everybody drop on a comment. But we know someone that you want to follow this certain icon picture. and certain name I wanna set we use to identify one. So majority of the time on make on the statements. We here no. But we also know who no be. In a dancehall music, Gaza stands alone, viewers and subscribers. And not just because we say it, are the contributions of the artists that have been associated with the camp. And the camp, for some reason, while some other people boast on some small achievements, the camp not boast on small achievements. We point them out. Just because you have heard the sayers have nay, I say certain statements, or I make certain statements rather. So we have to clear it up. We don't want dancehall get confused. The youths are listening to music. Them not really understand the data. And clout chasers are out there. So we don't want them to tell people, say, oh, the album of this and the album of that. And then the youth not understanding what go on with sales and different statistics. Feel like a true and feel like I saw it. But no. We refuse to have the youths go out there confused. We refuse to have the information misconstrued. We are taught the facts. When we talk about charts, we don't even see them songs for no chart. Except locally. And the reason why those songs are on charts locally is because in this day and age, see, the social media aspect of entertainment is definitely on the rise. If you notice, even the way people promote songs, if your song released on any platform and not released on a social media platform, people are going to say something wrong. As a matter of fact, anybody who want to market it in this day and age, just say if you market something and now market it on social media, then you really not do any form of marketing at all. So even these jocks have now opted to seek in what is currently trending locally and playing these music. Because remember, other than you bringing your music to a disc jock, it is up to a disc jock to find tracks that are considered hit songs, whether on the dance hall, in the streets, or wherever them there, and play it on secular radio stations. And recently we see Vybz Kartel tracks, viewers and subscribers, not only locally but also internationally. Sunday we not see what go on for Irie. We never see what, hey, Irie will a Gaza vibes. Internationally, at 97 a Gaza station. No, other than right, so. Other than we talk about the radio, I got a Gaza radio station too. I remember Zip. All Zip DJs are fans of Vybz Kartel. When Vybz Kartel they are road, we can consider say yo, Gaza run Zip. So locally, we talk about local radio stations. Yeah, if I that not talk about, we got that. If we not talk about album accreditations, we got that. And if we not talk about Billboard accreditations, we got that. If we not talk about features, we got it. If we not talk about help other artists reach prominence, oh, we got that as well. But them no wish them well in them career endeavors, but we will always point this out. Them not go on good. Them get more attention from post and IG lives and Snapchat lives than them get from them songs. And these artists, they are road, them can promote them thing. People just not gravitate. The level of creativity is just not there. The content is repetitive. Them a talk about Gucci, you just swear say Gucci signed them. You just swear they were ambassadors of Gucci, ambassadors of Louis. No. And as the people overseas that say, yo, the thing them are wear, we them a talk about all it for fashion. Truth be told, these things are not that exclusive. Why for the real? These things are not that exclusive. At 2020 now, we're going to hear them talk about certain luxury brands. But ask them if it's from the summer 2020 collection. Them are going to tell you no. It's not from the summer 2020 collection. So why mention it? Teacher have a song, we must say, yo, you see me here run, gang grab mustache. Yeah. You see we are doing it, you see we are set with threads. You gotta do what I do. We want us to point the accolades. We are all reasoning. Talk and making a dancehall music. We hear them and make them talk. Everybody free to say what they want. So you're entitled to your opinion. However, if you're going to say you present facts, then you need to present evidence. You're going to have some receipts. We always have the receipts because the things we are talking about are in fact genuine. You know what I mean? Yeah, since they talk about clothes, the facts that we are speak of are indeed genuine. So we will always have the receipts present. When I say, yo, the artist do this, we will always have snapshots to show you and say, yo, see there. And that we are talking about, the facts are in. Them now can do that because them are going to just make empty statements. What for, me no never clout them a chase. Me know what them a chase at this point in time. Because if you chase clout with at least hope for you have a hot song for release. These people chase clout without having anything to promote. Them they even understand the concept of chasing clout. Them just a follow. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be doing the fight of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and girls that want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.